Is mise de cultúr. Is mise an Gaeilge. Is mise de cheanga. Is mise de cultúr. Dúisid na fili mé, dúisid na húsile, dúisid na daoine mé, is dúisid a lani. Go bródúil a bhí siad, agus mise faoi réim. Ach, tháinig an strainséir, chuir sé faoi cos mé. Is rud ní bheasa, níor bhá le a chláán mé. Anis táim lag, anis táim the, ach fós táim live. Is bé mé go deo. Tóg suas me ceann, chur áthas me chrí. Leabhrigí mé, ó leabhrigí mé. I am the Irish language. I am your tongue. I am your culture. Used by the poets was I. Used by the nobility. Used by the people was I, and used by the children. Proud were they, and I did flourish. But came the stranger, and trampled me underfoot. But worse was to come. I was unloved by my children. Now I am weak. Now I am feeble. But still, I am with you, and will be forever. Lift up my head. Put joy in my heart. Speak me, oh speak me.